New Chase Bank in Bethesda, they contacted us because they said the bright blue light from the bank was pouring into their apartments all night long. Those lights were on all the time. So as soon as ABC7 arrived last night, though, the lights went out. The bank tells us now it plans to work with neighbors to find a solution and that the lights will remain off until they reach some sort of agreement.
Plans are in the works tonight to help restore the iconic arch in D.C.'s Chinatown community. The D.C. Commission of the Arts and Humanities expects that restoration work to begin in the spring. The 33-year-old Friendship Archway, as it's known, is the largest Chinese archway in America. Its last restoration came a decade ago.
Very cool. It'd be nice to see what they come up with, though.
Yeah, very nice.
All right, let's talk about what's happening outside. This is a nice day.
Yeah, cloudy, but the sun making like a ninth inning appearance.
I know, right?
Cameo toward the end of the day.
Late enough that it's not going to do much for the temperature.
Right.
So it's not going to bounce us up to 90 degrees or anything like that. Yeah, let me show you. Here's what it looked like today over the last, basically the last few hours from Bluemont, Virginia, Dirt Farm Brewery there. And you can see it's overcast. And then toward the end, just recently go, okay, we can break these clouds up just a touch, get some blue sky in there. And it's very nice as we look live here from Northwest D.C. off to the west. It's going to be a beautiful sunset out there. A great time to snap a photo. If you do, send me some of those. Love to put some on there. 79 degrees in D.C., 77 in Chantilly. Right now, 78 degrees in Gaithersburg. Martinsburg in the mid-70s. And Leonardtown, 80 degrees. Humidity levels aren't all that high. It's a really nice evening. Head on out and enjoy. Temperatures aren't going to move much. We'll say 78 here at 6, 77 by both 7 and 8 o'clock. Sun going down right around 7:45 or so. And then that will be taking our temperatures down, but still mid-70s by 10 o'clock tonight. So let's talk about your hour-by-hour forecast. Heading on into this evening, I don't expect any problems. We're going to see these temperatures remain into the 60s, 70s, just a few clouds here and there. And 11 o'clock tonight, these temperatures, we're down to 66 in Winchester, 74 in D.C. We talked about that, 68 in Gaithersburg. And then the remainder of the night, they're not going to move much. So out the door tomorrow morning, expect some cloud cover around the area. An isolated light shower, though, but temperatures that are going to be comfortable, a little bit warmer than they were this morning, but still not bad. 63, great actually, 63 in Winchester, 66 in Warrenton. We'll drop down into the low 70s around the D.C. metro, 67 in Gaithersburg. So here's what we're looking at during the day. Cloudy conditions again in the morning, an isolated shower or two, but by lunch and beyond, that's when I'm going to be tracking this line of some stronger storms that are going to be moving through. So here's 3 o'clock. Let me stop this right around 4. One thing I want to show you, a couple things actually. Notice the yellows and the oranges, some heavy rainfall, some cloud-to-ground lightning strikes. And when we look at our wind forecast here, where you see this really bright shade of blue, that is where the radar, or excuse me, the Futurecast is forecasting winds 25 to 35 miles per hour. So along that leading edge, we may see some of those stronger winds as it pushes through the D.C. metro around the 5 o'clock hour tomorrow. By about 7 or 8, it's east of the area, east of Calvert County, and then things start to dry out and we'll see those temperatures drop back down again. So pretty nice. Tomorrow's a weather maker. I don't know if I'd go as far as to say weather alert, certainly not on the extended here, but we may for an hour or two in the afternoon tomorrow just, alert you that there could be some stronger storms moving through. We will do that. 85 and dry on Thursday, warming back up to near 90 on Friday, and then looking at Labor Day weekend, Sunday and Monday have the possibility of storms, but Saturday looking great, guys.
All right, Bill, thank you. Wow, the Nats coming alive.
These guys are on fire.
On fire.
We love it.
And you know what? At 5, Allison said it's a big game. I said it wasn't. It is. It's a big game.
You've come around.
You say it wasn't.
Well, they're still 5.5 back from the Braves. So how did the Nats get so good, by the way? Davey Martinez might have an answer for you. And the Terps head coach, Mike Loxley, is supposedly living a dream, but why he says the dream is over. What's next?
The perfect gift. 1/5 carat studs, $69. Diamond pendants, $99. Half carat hoops, $299. And diamond tennis bracelets, $399 per carat. Thousands of forever gifts guaranteed to appraise for double. Buy factory direct and save big. The Jewelry Exchange Bethesda.
The redesigned Jeep Cherokee has best-in-class technology and over 80 safety and security features. So the further you go, the more connected you'll feel.
Feel free to do it all at the Jeep Labor Day sales event with $1,000 bonus cash. Now financing at $6,500 total cash.